What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, you can see behind me, we're talking about Loopring and Gamestop and GME. And this has been kind of a long-awaited announcement that we were waiting for Loopring to come out and say this, and GameStop and come out and do this, and just everything that we wanted to possibly see. It's obviously exciting to be able to have something like that. And we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about the announcement. We're going to go into what's happening in Loopring right now, what the expectation is. We're going to look at GameStop as well, and we're just going to go over some things as we, venture into this kind of partnership here, which is freaking fantastic. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one, and make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, I did retweet this, earlier today, somewhere around 7 o'clock in the morning. So if you want any of these updates and you're not aware of what's going on, you will get these updates from me when it comes to cryptocurrency, it comes to stocks, all of that stuff. Feel free to follow me at Perry8K on Twitter. But again, we're here to talk about Loopring, right? This announcement came 6 hours ago, where the future of NFTs are here. Plus, they're powered by Ethereum's second layer. You're basically looking at Loopring Layer 2 with a partnership with GameStop. That announcement is pretty much official. It is official right now. And it just makes it so amazing to be able to know that that is out there, and we're seeing Loopring make some moves in the market today. We're seeing GameStop make some moves in the market today. Who knows if GameStop will stay there with all the shorting, but this is phenomenal news, and you could see how much traction it's getting, how many likes, how many retweets, how many comments it's actually getting, and it's absolutely amazing. So let's get into some detail here. Now, if we go into this article here. So GameStop's NFT marketplace powered by Loopring Layer 2. Right, they're thrilled to announce that you have that awaited partnership with GameStop. I don't know what happened to all of my highlights. Every time I leave a page, my highlights are gone. But we can work through it. So let's go ahead and look at some of this detail here. So I wanted to start here. uh, the new GameStop NFT marketplace is built atop the second layer of Ethereum, specifically Loopring Layer 2, to ensure that the users receive the strongest digital property rights anchored by a secure, decentralized, and a credible neutral environment like Ethereum. Loopring Layer 2 inherits Ethereum's self-custodial security while abstracting away costly gas fees. So the high costly gas fees that you guys pay that could go from $15 up to $90, or as high as I've seen up to $900, leaving no one priced out. This is what makes it absolutely amazing to be able to have that, layer 2 option there with lower fees. I mean, that's what really the whole idea is about, those lower fees and everything. As showcased here, you can now mint NFTs directly on Loopring Layer 2 with all of the security you get from Ethereum Layer 1 for costs under $1, compared to the prohibitive cost of minting directly on Ethereum Layer 1, which are up to 100 times higher, right? Um, that is crazy, right? I was testing this out and going to different places. So basically, if you go here, you can get the early beta access here, set up your username and your profile and all of that stuff. And I went over here to GameStop to set everything up, the GameStop NFT beta, and set everything up with my MetaMask and everything, just to check out like what the cost of like layer 2 is, sending Ethereum to someone on layer 2, and just sending Ethereum to someone on layer 2 is costing 10 cents to send it to a another address or recipient's address. But obviously you have to work through a lot of things. So understanding that, this really is that level that we wanted to get to, that hype that we wanted to get to, and where we stand right now. I mean, we're literally in the beginning stages of where this whole entire thing can reach. So, with all of this news that's happening right now, with this big announcement that is happening, what's going on with GME's price? What's going on with Loopring's price? Well, to start out with Loopring, Loopring is currently in my Coinbase Pro, which they do have hard cutoffs. We're up 27%. We went from a level to where they were at 60 cents previously, all the way up to a level of $1.16. And even to higher points. And a lot of people are hype around what Loopring is doing, and how much people did buy at some of these lower points. So they were kind of happy to see that it got up to $1.16, and it's not done here. I think it can definitely rise a lot higher with more news that's coming out and more adaptation of the NFT platform as well, and more people that are getting into it. This didn't even hit my radar. And the funny thing is, I am following Loopring, and I didn't see that come across my desk. Somebody in the stream today, early in the stream, talked about it, and I was wondering why Loopring was up so much, and I was going to search into it, but I didn't have enough time this morning. So I'm glad that we have a dedicated community that looks into that stuff as well. So I got a chance to actually dive into it. But Loopring is up 27%, as you can see right here. But then if we also go into the stock market and see what's happening with GME, GME is currently up 9%. Now, it was up 30% last night, and you did see some increasing, but obviously the stock market's not really looking good overall. It's just a select group of positions that are actually moving, right? You have AMC that's moving positively, Prog that's moving positively, GME that's moving positively, Tesla obviously, and SOS, some other positions, while you have a lot of things that are red. So it's kind of off and on, green and red, like it's Christmas, right? So GME making some moves. It made a bunch of moves yesterday, and it was up 30% today. It's up 10% right now. And you're seeing this up to $135 from that low point that it was at, maybe like a week ago, looking at about 80 to $90, right? That's a really, really low point, and seeing it grow to this point, you're really up $50 since then. And seeing how much you're up today alone, you're up $11.85, close over close, or close over open, I guess, because we're currently open. But I'm actually absolutely excited about this news. Let me know what you think about this news. I think this makes it really, really big for something like Loopring and where it can go for the future. I've also heard some information about potentially like burning as well with coins and Loopring, but I'm not 100% sure. There's only 1.3 billion coins, so it shows a lot of potential for growth, right? At a dollar, it's really only sitting at a $1 billion market cap, and I definitely think this can go a lot higher, tied to something like GameStop. So expect this to make some massive moves, and $1 is not the ceiling, is not even close to the ceiling right now. And I'm glad that I never gave up on the position, or didn't pull out of the position. I did see what they had plans to do and how strong it was even without GameStop. So just imagine how strong it will be with GameStop. So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, get some of these updates at Perry8K. You can follow me there. Also, go ahead and follow Loopring and GME if you guys want to. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.